Hey everyone! In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of digital advertising and talk about something crucial for publishers: floor price optimization. Whether you're a seasoned publisher or just starting out, understanding floor prices can help you maximize your ad revenue. We'll cover what floor prices are, how they impact your revenue, and the best strategies for managing them. So let's get started. First off, what exactly are floor prices? Floor prices are the minimum CPM rates publishers set to ensure their ad space isn't sold for less than a certain amount. Think of it as a protective barrier ensuring your ad inventory isn't undervalued in auctions. If a bid doesn't meet your floor price, it's filtered out and the impression isn't sold. This helps maintain the value of your ad space, ensuring you're not selling yourself short. Now, let's talk about how these floor prices affect your revenue. Setting a floor price means you're ensuring that every impression is sold at a value that meets your standards. This helps maintain a baseline level of revenue. But here's the catch: set your floor too high and you might scare off potential buyers, leading to unsold inventory. On the flip side, if your floor is too low, you might sell more impressions but at a lower value, which could hurt your overall revenue. The key is finding that sweet spot where your floor price balances revenue protection with competitive fill rates. Let's break down the two main types of floor prices: static and dynamic. Static floor prices are fixed amounts that you set manually. They stay the same until you decide to change them. While this approach is simple and easy to manage, it doesn't adapt to market changes, which means you might miss out on higher bids during peak times. On the other hand, dynamic floor price adjusts automatically based on real-time data and market conditions. This method is more flexible and can help you capture higher bids when demand is high, while still maintaining good fill rates when demand drops. Dynamic pricing is all about maximizing your revenue by staying responsive to the market. So why should you bother optimizing your floor prices? Here are the top benefits. First, increased revenue. Optimizing floor prices ensures you're not leaving money on the table by securing the highest possible bids for your inventory. Second, better fill rates. When floor prices are set just right, you'll sell a higher percentage of your inventory without sacrificing revenue. Third, enhanced advertiser trust. Advertisers are more likely to bid on your inventory if they feel the pricing is fair and competitive. Fourth, improved user experience. Optimized pricing can lead to higher quality ads, which means a better experience for your users. Now, let's talk about how Prebid.js handles floor prices. Prebid.js uses the price floors module to help publishers set and enforce minimum CPMs for auctions. You can customize these floors based on various factors like ad size, media type, or even the specific page the ad will appear on. This module ensures that all bids meet or exceed your floor price, ensuring that your ad inventory maintains its value. Moving on to Google Ad Manager, a powerful tool for managing floor prices. In GAM, floor prices are included in bid requests sent to buyers. This helps buyers understand the minimum they need to bid to win the auction. GAM uses unified pricing rules to apply consistent floor prices across different line items, ensuring a cohesive pricing strategy. Setting up floor prices in GAM is pretty straightforward. Here's a quick guide. Log into your Google Ad Manager account, navigate to the Inventory tab, and then select Pricing Rules. Click on New Unified Pricing Rule to create a new rule or modify an existing one. In the Pricing section, select Set Pricing for Everything and choose your designated pricing model. This ensures your floor prices are applied across the board. Save your settings, and GAM will automatically adjust the floor prices based on its optimization algorithms. And that's it. Your floor prices are now set and optimized in GAM. And well, let's talk about automation. Automating your floor price management can save you time and ensure your prices are always optimized. Dynamic floor optimization uses algorithms and real-time data to adjust floor prices based on market conditions automatically. This means your prices are always in sync with what's happening in the market, helping you maximize revenue with minimal manual effort. So, should you manage your floor prices manually or automate the process? Manual management gives you full control and allows for highly customized strategies, but it's time-consuming and harder to scale. Automated management is efficient and ensures your floor prices are always optimized. But you might lose some of that granular control. When deciding on the right approach, consider your resources and goals. If you have the time and expertise, manual management might work for you. If you want to focus on scaling and efficiency, automation is the way to go. And if you're somewhere in between, a hybrid approach might be your best bet. Here are 5 strategies to keep in mind for effective price floor management. First, dynamic floor optimization. Use real-time data to adjust prices automatically. Granular controls. Set different floors based on geography, device type, or specific web pages. Historical data analysis. Use past data to set accurate and effective floor prices. Competitive analysis. Keep an eye on what your competitors are doing and adjust accordingly. And advanced tools. Use tools like Prebid.js and GAM to automate and optimize your floor prices. For those looking to take things a step further, consider these advanced techniques, like real-time bidding adjustments. Adjust your floor prices on the fly based on real-time bid data. Geo-specific floors. Set different floor prices based on the user's geographic location. Device-specific floors. Customize floor prices depending on whether the user's on desktop, mobile, or tablet. Finally, let's wrap up with some common mistakes to avoid. Over-reliance on static floors. Static floors don't adapt to market changes, which can lead to lost revenue. Dynamic pricing is key. Ignoring market signals. Pay attention to trends and data. Adjust your floor prices based on what the market is telling you. Not regularly updating floors? The market changes quickly. Make sure you're regularly updating your floor prices to stay competitive. And there you have it. Floor price optimization is a powerful tool to maximizing ad revenue, but it requires careful management and ongoing adjustments. Whether you choose to manage your floor prices manually, automate the process, or use a hybrid approach, the key is to stay flexible and responsive to the market. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more insights on optimizing your digital advertising strategies. See you in the next video.